unboxing of my FabFitFun summer box. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's basically a seasonal subscription. So you get it every summer, every winter, every fall, every spring. This is my first time ever getting a FabFitFun box, so honestly I don't really know what to expect. It's basically random, you could get anything as far as I know. I paid, I believe, $49.99 for it, but then there was a $10 discount code for a first timer, so it was $39.99, but then they added tax, so it was like 43 bucks. So yeah, it's right here. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it right now on camera with you guys. I'm pretty excited because I have no idea what is like gonna be in here. I don't know if I'm gonna get makeup, if I'm gonna get clothes. Looks like this. I don't know if every box looks like this, but this is the summer box. Let's open this baby up. I'm gonna put this somewhere else because this is like very obnoxious. First things first, oh, you get a little catalog with it that says FabFitFun. Gabby Douglas, we like her. I'm not reading this right now, but you get a catalog. I don't really know what's in it. I guess it's just like some of their products that they offer and things like that. That's pretty cute. I like that. We don't care about it though, honestly. Then you get the #1 meal kit for eating well, Green Chef. You get a little discount code, $90 off. That's not bad. Look at that. I didn't know that this was gonna come with like a bunch of little gift cards. So now I have $50 to Bright Cellars. Discover wine you love. I'm going to use this. This is a $50 gift card to go buy some wine. So far I'm liking this box. You know, they really get me. They get me, FabFitFun. All right, now this is what it looks like. We're gonna open this up, take the little sticker off. So far we got 2 gift cards, which that's pretty cool. One was $50 and one was $90. They give you an option to pick something that you would actually want in your box. So I was on the hunt for a while to find a vase that was like rose gold or like pink and white, just to kind of match my room, and I couldn't find one. And this is what actually made me want to buy the box in the first place. I saw an ad on Instagram and they had this vase in the ad, and I was like, oh my god, I want that for my room. And this is what made me get FabFitFun, just so I could get this. And honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I don't really like it anymore, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. So this I'm gonna have to put somewhere else. Maybe I'll put it on top of my fireplace and I'll add those little incense sticks to it. I don't really know, but I'm sure I'll figure out some use for this because it's cute. I don't know why I said I didn't like it anymore. It is cute. And that's by Isaac Mizrahi, and it's the Love's XOXO-Sam collection. Ooh, now we got something from Tom's. It feels like a pair of sunglasses. I didn't know Tom's made sunglasses. I thought they just made shoes. It's the last I've ever heard of Tom's. Ooh, okay. These are kind of cute. Some thick ass glasses. How do we look? Do I look good? These are cute. I really like the case that they came in too. So far so good, you guys. So this is a little charging pad. It's really cute. It looks like a coaster. This gets plugged in and then I guess you put your phone on top. That's pretty cool. I actually forgot, you guys, I did get to customize this box when I was ordering it. So I kind of did see these things already, but I completely forgot that they were going to be in this box. So I'm still surprised. This is a satin pillow sleeve. Oh my god, this feels very nice. So this is to go over your pillowcase, obviously. It's nice. But I mean, if you only have one, what are you gonna do with just one? You know, I have 5 million pillows, so I don't know when I'll be using this, but I'm glad I have one. Let me take these off, I look really dumb. Oh, I got a little makeup sponge. Cute. It's called Makeup Drop. I want to see how this sponge feels. Oh, and then it has like a little silicone side here that's kind of hard. I guess that would be for under your eyes. The sponge feels really soft and cool. I'm definitely gonna try this out and let you guys know if it's good. I'll use this in the next like makeup video that I do, but it's pretty cool. Oops. Woo! This is, I don't know how you say the name of this company. Spongel? I see it and I'm like Spongilli, but I don't think that's how it's pronounced. Spongilli. That's what we got. It is in coconut. It's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. That smells really good. Like really, really good. Put a little on. She thick. That smells really good. All right, what else we got in here? Excuse me, rude. It's my mother. I'm just kidding, Mom. You guys, this smells awesome. Spongy. All right, this is the last thing I think that we have. I picked this out because I thought it was so freaking cute. So this is a little bag by Business and Pleasure, and it's like a little cooler bag. Hold on, you guys. I'm like really not making this look cute here. Hold up. Let me open it. Has like the insulation inside, and I thought that it was super cute, and I can't wait to take it to the beach with me. It even has a little strap you could put around your shoulder, or you could carry it like this and buckle it up. It's super cute. I really love this, and I picked that out when I was customizing my box. I think that's everything. Yeah. Oh no, huh? There's one more thing. I love when that happens. This is by Winky Lux, a brow pencil. It says Universal Brow Pencil. I don't believe in universal brow pencils because everybody's eyebrows are a different shade. So I don't believe in universal anything because everybody is their own person with their own traits and characteristics. I don't like the way this looks at all. And this is super dark, so I'm probably never gonna use that. On the packaging, it just shows people with dark eyebrows, so maybe I do think that they had asked me, because they ask a little bit about you, this way they could customize your box. They probably asked me what color my hair was, and maybe that's why they sent me this, thinking, because this color would match me, it would, but it's not universal, because universal means for everybody, and this would not match everybody. It's very dark. That's pretty much everything from my FabFitFun box. I think it was pretty cute. I liked the stuff that I got. I'm gonna use most of the stuff that I got. The only thing I think I'm not gonna use is this brow product, just because I don't really fill my eyebrows in ever. Everything else I'm definitely gonna use. I am going to continue my subscription for FabFitFun. That's basically what I wanted this video to be. I wanted to unbox it and see, is it worth it? Should I continue my subscription? And you know what, guys? It's worth it, in my opinion. So yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. It's very short and sweet. I just wanted to unbox my first ever FabFitFun box with you guys. This channel is kind of turning into like me justifying my shopping addiction. I'm making like I'm doing this for you, but it's really for me. So just support me, you guys. Just support my addiction. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Bye guys.